Hello everyone, we will talk about gears. Gears are found everywhere including in bicycle, cars, toys, vacuums and clocks. Mechanic is the area of physics concerned with the effect of the force on physical bodies. Mechanic is divided into the various areas, including statics, which is the study of the structural systems that do not move, dynamics, which is the study of bodies and motion.
We will focus on dynamics of gear systems. Gears are simple mechanics heavily based on motion. They help reduce force and motion by changing rotational speeds and rotational directions to fit our needs. Gears are variations of the wheel and axle type of simple machine. They act as specialized wheels that transfer energy from one gear to another through contact with their rigid interlocking teeth. Smaller gears have faster moving teeth but produce less torque, while large gears have a slower moving teeth but can produce more torque.